A very happy fresh morning to all of you, my dear little children. I welcome you all to the virtual classes. So, how are you, my dear little children? I hope you and your family is keeping well, and I pray for your good health. This is your maths class, and I am your maths teacher, Sonia Gupta. This is your maths book. Okay, so let's begin the journey of our learning. Please children turn on page number 100. So now in this video we will do more practice of multiplication of 3-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay, so please let's see here. Now let's see. 212 multiply 2. 212 multiply by 2. First of all, multiply the ones. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Now we will multiply tens. 2 1 are 2. 2 2 are 4. At last we will multiply the hundreds. Okay. Now 232 multiply 2. 2 2 are 4. 2 3 are 6. 2 2 are 4. Okay, in this way we can get the product correctly. First of all, we will do multiply the ones, then second step is to multiply the tens, and the third step is to multiply the hundreds. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. Okay, 2 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Okay, now children, let's see the next one here. 3, first of all multiply the ones, then the tens, then at last the hundreds. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Okay, now 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 2 are 8. Okay, now 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. नाउ यहाँ पर हम सबसे पहले 4 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई, देन 2 से, देन अगेन 1 से. तो 4 1 आर 4, 4 2 आर 8, 4 1 आर 4. इट मीन्स 484 is the correct answer. 484. It means 121 multiply 4 is equal to 484. Okay. Now 3 3 are 9. Okay children. Two 22 multiply 3. Okay, first of all multiply the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds. 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6. It means 222 multiply 3 is equal to 666. Okay, now 323 multiply 3. Okay, so 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. 969 is the correct answer. Okay, now 213 multiply 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. 639। हमें जिस तरह से मैं लिख रही हूँ आप बच्चों को उसको इमीडिएटली एज यू फिनिश द टेबल देन इमीडिएटली राइट द आंसर। ओके यस, मैं आपको समझाने के लिए इस तरह से लिख रही हूँ, बट आपको इमीडिएटली आंसर लिखना है। कैसे? देखो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल multiply the ones. 3 2 are 6. Right here 6. 3 2 are 6. 3 3 are 9. It means 322 multiply 3 is equal to 966. Okay children? Now children, we will revise the tables from 2 to 10, because now in the next class we will learn multiplication with regrouping of 1. Okay, so to multiply correctly with regrouping, we have to revise the tables, we have to learn the tables properly. Okay, it is very important for multiplication. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10. Children, please repeat with me or repeat after me. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, 2 10 are 20. Okay, किस तरह से बोलना है आपको समझ आया? Now let's revise the table of 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21, 3 8 are 24, 3 9 are 27, 3 10 are 30. Now let's revise the table of 4. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, 4 8 are 32, 4 9 are 36, 4 10 are 40. Okay, now let's revise the table of 5. Okay, 5 under 5. चिल्ड्रन, ये 5 का टेबल बच्चों को बहुत इजी लगता है. यस, बिकॉज देखो इसमें 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0, ये देख रहे हो आप, पहले 5 आया, 5 अनर तो 5 होता है. नाउ देखो 2 1 2 2, नाउ 2 3, नाउ 2 4, देन एट लास्ट 5, और यहाँ 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5 0. देख रहे हो आप कॉन्सेप्ट? समझ आ रहा है आपको? यस, ये पैटर्न है 5 की टेबल का. ओके, और ये बच्चों को बहुत इजी लगती है, जल्दी से लर्न हो जाती है. तो प्लीज़ रिपीट विद मी. 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 8 are 40, 5 9 are 45, 5 10 are 50. Okay, now let's revise the table of 6. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54, 6 10 are 60. Okay, now let's revise the table of 7. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 4 are 28, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 7 8 are 56, 7 9 are 63, 7 10 are 70. Now children, we will revise the table of 8. So please repeat after me. We will revise this table twice. 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 5 are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 8 9 are 72, 8 10 are 80. Children, please repeat once more time. 8 1 are 8 2 are 8 3 are 8 4 are 8 5 are 8 6 are 8 7 are 8 8 are 8 9 are 8 10 are. Very good. Okay. Now let's revise the table of 9. Okay. So please, can you observe the pattern of 9's table? You can see, first of all we will write 9, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then here 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0. Yes, have you understood the pattern of 8 9's table? Now children, please recite the table of 9. 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36, 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72, 9 9 are 81, 9 10s are 90. So children, please repeat one more time. Okay. So now this time I will not speak the answer. You will speak. Okay. 9 1 are 9 2 are 9 3 are 9 4 are 9 5 are 9 6 are 9 7 are 9 8 are 9 9 are 9 10 are. Very good children. So children, now I will ask some dodging table. Okay, let's practice of dodging table. Now children, please speak the answer. Okay, 4 2 are 8. Very good. 5 3 are 15. Very nice. 2 5 are 10. 3 4 are 12. 4 4 are 16. तो चिल्ड्रन, ये जिस भी तरह से मैं आपसे बीच में से उठा के, मतलब जो आपको ये टेबल्स मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, यही होती है डॉडजिंग टेबल. ठीक है. डॉडजिंग टेबल में हमें डायरेक्टली आंसर देना है. यदि मैंने बोला है 2 5 आर, तो आपको टेबल्स इतनी लर्न होनी चाहिए कि आप मुझे डायरेक्टली 2 5 आर बोले. आप मुझे पूरे टेबल ना सुनाए. 2 1 आर 2, 2 2 आर 4, 2 3 आर 6. नो, आपको डायरेक्टली क्या बोलना है? 2 5 आर यस 10. ओके. इस तरह से हमें इतनी टेबल्स का रिवीजन करना है कि हम डायरेक्टली आंसर कर पाएँ. ओके. 4 8 आर 32. ओके. 5 10 आर 50. 3 6 आर 18. 2 9 आर 18. 5 7 आर 35. 4 5 आर 20. 3 7 आर 21. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. 5 5 are 25. ओके. तो इस तरह से हमें टेबल्स को इतना लर्न करना है. आपको डेली प्रैक्टिस करनी है. आपको ये नहीं सोचना कि अब तो टेबल्स आ गई, बस खाली 2 और 3 की टेबल की मल्टीप्लिकेशन आ रहे हैं, नो, आपको इतनी प्रैक्टिस करनी है कि आप डॉजिंग टेबल्स में आप एकदम परफेक्टली और करेक्टली आंसर कर पाएँ. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, रिवाइज all the tables from 2 to 10. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.